If they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Keandraahzhane, and in this video I'll be showing y'all how to remove any type of buildup or got-to-be glue, gel, or freeze blast spray out of your frontal or lace. Don't mind my over bleach knots. I fixed that when I actually installed this wig, but I'm just giving y'all a before picture, video clip, whatever you want to call it, of how the hair is looking now. Y'all can see that the baby hairs are dirty. It's just gunky, it's nasty, and we finna wash that out so that our lace can be squeaky clean. Welcome to Lace Maintenance 101, period. Classes in session. So y'all saw that y'all gonna need a brush, some type of toothbrush or edge brush to actually scrub and clean the lace. Nothing too harsh though. Don't sleep on Ross. That's the shampoo that I used, and then the conditioner that I use. So I'm just gonna rinse this hair and we're gonna get into the washing process. This a voiceover, but let me just say that this is my first time recording with my iPhone 11, and this quality is popping. Okay, by the way, y'all, this is Unice hair that I'm getting ready to wash, so I'm pretty sure I'll put it in the title, but so as y'all see, I'm getting ready to take a few pumps of my shampoo. I am going to lather this all over my frontal and kind of like massage it in before we actually get into really cleaning that lace. So now this is the part where either your edge brush or toothbrush or any type of soft brush like that kind of comes in handy. I mean, the edge brush ain't all that soft, but as long as it ain't nothing too harsh and you not like scrubbing too hard, you good. But you do want to scrub good enough to the point where you actually removing, you know, you lifting up that gel, that got-to-be glue spray or whatever that you use to lay your wig down. So all I'm doing is I'm going back and forth across the hairline of the frontal just to make sure that I'm cleaning it really well and removing anything that's like deep within that lace. So now I'm actually flipping my wig back over, and I'm also doing the same thing on the top of the lace just because I used a lot of got-to-be glue gel when doing my baby hairs. So I just want to make sure like I'm not missing nothing and both sides of the lace is clean. And then I'm just brushing that shampoo down to the ends of the hair. I didn't feel a need to really shampoo my actual hair, so I only shampooed the roots. It's better to condition or co-wash your hair anyway, so that's what I'm gonna do. So after one shampoo, I'll analyze the lace to see if I need to shampoo it again. In this case, I feel like I did. Sometimes it's hard to tell because sometimes the water will make it look like, you know, the little knots are filled up with something, but it just be the water. But sometimes I just go over the second time just to make sure that I'm really getting everything out. So I'm just going to shampoo it for the second time, and then I'll be getting to the conditioning part of just me conditioning the hair. And boom, y'all, just in a few quick and easy steps, y'all got y'all some squeaky clean lace. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it, and hit that bell for post notifications. Now I'm just going to be conditioning the hair, which is my favorite part of washing hair in general, period, because the conditioner just brings the hair back to life. It makes it softer, and my fingers was gliding through that hair like it felt so good. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I think it's so satisfying when you just condition the hair. I don't know what it is. Like, it just be shiny and just, look at that, y'all. Like, I think I purposely conditioned this hair for longer than I was supposed to. I mean, you can never over condition hair, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. This is basically the end of the voiceover. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I will see y'all in the next one.
Show me some love, kisses, and hugs. I never had to let you go to the club with your boys.